Hello everyone. Hi, this is Aparna, your maths master teacher at Vedantu. So very warm welcome. Today we are going to boom this whole chapter in one go. So guys, if you're coming for the first time on Maths Pirate, do hit the subscribe button and like the video guys. Come on, quickly do that. So with our motto, Jhoom Barabar Jhoom, maths ki sari problems boom. Let's start revising linear equation in one variable. So guys, before I move ahead, I want to solve all your problems that you face, doubts, notes, test and assignments, competitive exams preparation, choice of schedule that I want to study at this time, that time, I want to study in that language. So all of your problems has one solutions with the bonuses you are getting. You are going to get unlimited live classes, micro and crash courses, performance reports and personalized attention. So guys, visit this link, click on that. You will just have to select your grade, then click on the selected targeted exam, then get subscription. You can get 1 month, 3 month or 6 months plan just by getting it with lots of discount, and you can apply the coupon code to get additional discount, that is 80 pro. Yes, okay, so visit this link and use this coupon code and you will get all the things in your pocket. So guys, quickly boom this chapter with the fast track revision. What is algebraic expression and what is algebraic equation? So an algebraic equation or algebraic expression is a very basic difference that in between two algebraic expression, when we put a equals to sign, that becomes the algebraic equation. So what has to be a algebraic expression? It should have a variable, constant and a operator, that is plus, minus, multiply and divide. Yes everyone, clear? Now what do we mean by linear equation? So in a linear equation we have a straight line formed and it has only one solution. Also the variable in the equation should have the power 1. Okay, so can you see here in the examples given below, we can clearly see that the variables has only one power, right? Now, what do we mean by that? What do we mean by linear equation in one variable? It should has only one solution. Yes, that means only the value of that variable should be 1. Also, what is the general form of the linear equation in one variable? That is ax plus b is equal to c, where a, b, c should be equal to real numbers and a should not be equal to 0, right? So can you see here a equation given to you, that is 4x minus 7 is equal to 5, where 4x is a variable term, 7 is a constant and 5 is again a constant. Here the operator used is minus. 4x, in 4x you have 4 as the coefficient and x is the variable. I hope it is clear to everyone. Now what do we mean by terms? Terms means one particular number. That means 5x is particular one term, 7 is second term and under root 2 is third term in this. So total number of terms we have 3, right? Okay, now how many types of equation we have? One step equation, where you have to just go one step in order to solve the equation and solve the value of variable. We have then two-step equation, then multi-step and systems of equations, where two equations are there to solve the variable. Okay, now key points we should remember while solving it, that there should be an equality sign, that is equals to sign, in order to be a linear equation. Okay guys, there should be a equals to sign definitely. The expression on the left hand side of the equals to sign, that is known as LHS, and on the right hand side of the equation we known as, that is known as right hand side, that is RHS. Okay, everything clear? Also the solution should be only one. The linear equation in one variable has only one solution. Okay, what do we mean by like and unlike terms? Like and unlike terms means like terms means एक जैसे, unlike means जो एक जैसे नहीं है. Like terms क्या होंगे? जिनमें variable और उसकी power same होगी, ठीक है. और अनलाइक टर्म्स वो होंगे जिसकी वेरिएबल या फिर उनकी पावर डिफरेंट होगी, ठीक है. लाइक टर्म्स मतलब लाइक फ्रेंड्स, अनलाइक टर्म्स मतलब अनलाइक फ्रेंड्स, ठीक है. तो लाइक टर्म्स के एग्जांपल्स क्या हो गए? 3x and 5x where x has only one power and there is only one variable, that is x. Can you see here? So then if you have like terms you can operate with them, that means you can add or subtract them together, ठीक है. लाइक टर्म्स जब तक नहीं होंगी तब तक आप उनको ऐड या फिर सब्सट्रैक्ट नहीं कर सकते, ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट अस टेक 3x and 5y. वी कैन नॉट ऑपरेट, वी कैन नॉट ऐड एंड सब्सट्रैक्ट देम. व्हाई? बिकॉज दे आर ऑफ different terms, they are not like terms. Okay, you can only add and subtract like terms. Like terms are those terms which have variables one as the power and same variable. Okay, clear to everybody? Okay, now use of like terms. We can combine terms to simplify expressions. So let's take an example. 2a cube minus 10ab square plus 3a cube minus ab square minus 7, ठीक है. Now combine the like terms together. Okay, so how we can find the like terms? Find out the variable with same power. A cube can be seen there in the equation. These two are like terms. So putting them together, then AB squares, we have one more, 1 of AB square and 7 is the alone. It does not have any like term. Okay, so 2 and 3 became 5A cube. 10 and minus 10 and minus 1 became minus of 11 AB square and minus 7 as it is. So guys, this is the general form or the standard algebraic expression or linear equation you have got. Simple. Now how to solve linear equation with variable on the one side? By the balancing method, and second is transposing method. Balancing method means just adding or subtracting whatever you need to balance the equation. So by balancing you can find out the value of x. Here in the example given below, when you add minus 7, first thing first, always remember in the balancing side, whatever you add, whatever you subtract in the one side, you have to do it on the other side also. For example, in order to remove this 7 from LHS, you are subtracting minus 7. Sorry, but you have to do this in RHS also. You have to subtract minus 7 from RHS also. मतलब minus 7 को आप दोनों तरफ से सब्सट्रैक्ट करोगे, LHS और RHS, ताकि वो बैलेंस रह सके, ठीक है. तो ये बन गया आपका x by 5, ये कर लिया, and minus 3, minus 7, minus 10. Now in order to remove this 5, can we multiply 5 so that it cancelled out? If you are multiplying 5 in LHS, you have to do it in RHS also. So it became x is equal to 50 as your answer. Okay. Now what is transposing? Taking the values of one side to other in order to find out the variables value. Simple. You are transposing this 5 to the RHS, so it became minus of 5. In transposing, you have to take care of the sign. While transposing, you have to just change the sign. If it is of plus, so it will become minus. So it was plus, so it became minus of 5. If it would be have 5 minus of 5, then it would become plus of 5. ठीक है. Multiply, divide, divide, multiply. Opposite sign हो जाता है. Simple. So 2x is equal to 8 and x is equal to 8 divided by 2 and equals to 4. Simple. Now, how to solve the linear equation with variables on the both the side? Balancing method, transposing method again. Again balancing method, just adding on and subtracting the variables or the constants on both the sides. ठीक है. Transposing again same. How to simplify the linear equation? How to solve the linear equation? We know what is the generalized form. What is the simplest form? That is ax plus b is equal to c, where ab should be equal to real numbers and C also, where A should not be equal to 0. Now, how to do that? Three methods are there. First, to remove the denominators, or making the denominator same by making it or finding out the LCM. Second way, open the brackets. Third, cross multiplication. ठीक है? First method and second method is removing the denominators and opening the brackets. So first example given to you, 6x plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 is equal to x minus 3 upon 6. You have to remove the denominators by taking the LCM. So we got it here, 6 into, we are just multiplying 6 now in order to remove that. So 6 into 6x plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 into x is equal to x minus 3 upon 6 into 6. So we got this 2 bracket x, 6x plus 1 plus 6 is equal to x minus 3. Now simply opening the brackets, you got this equation. Now just simply adding the balancing method, you got 12x plus 11 is equal to x. Now transposing 11 to the RHS, so you got 11x minus of 11. So transposing 11 again to the RHS, you got x is equal to minus of 1. Next method, cross multiplication. By doing the cross multiplication, you can quickly find out the value of variable. I think personally it is the simplest way. Okay, very simple. Just do the cross multiplication and solve the brackets. So you have done the cross multiplication and you got 8x plus 8 is equal to 6x plus 9. So 8x minus 6x, taking 6x to the LHS and 8 to the RHS. So minus of 8. So 2x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 1 by 2. As simple as that. Okay. Now reducing equation to the linear form. So equation would be in the simplest form by doing the usual method, that is our balancing and transposing, doing the simplification with the help of removing the denominators, cross multiplication and opening the brackets. Simple. Okay. So by that you can form it a linear equation in the simplest form. Let's simplify this equation and solve it. ठीक है, फटाफट से कर दे. Okay, so let's quickly solve it with the help of what method? Cross multiplication. So we have cross multiplied them each other. So we got x square plus 2x plus 6x plus 12 is equal to x square plus 5x. Simple? Okay, so now taking the terms, like terms together, x square minus x square, taking this to the LHS, and 8x minus 5x, taking this also in the LHS, and just bringing प्लस ऑफ 12 टू दी RHS. कांस्टेंट एक तरफ, वेरिएबल एक तरफ. ठीक है, अब ये एक्स स्क्वायर और माइनस ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर 0 हो गया, कट गया, कैंसिल आउट. 8x minus 5x 3x is equal to minus 12. x is equal to minus 12 upon 3. So x will be equal to minus of 4. I hope it is clear to everybody. Now, how to form a linear equation? What do we mean by forming a linear equation? I will tell you. For example, you have a statement given below. Robert's father is 4 times as old as Robert. Robert's father is 4 times as old Robert. मतलब रॉबर्ट के पापा 4 times old है रॉबर्ट से. After 5 years, 5 साल के बाद, father will become 3 times as old as Robert. Find the present age. ठीक है? We will do it step by step. Okay? So let the Robert's age be x. X मान लिया. Then Robert's father age would be 4 times of x, 4x. After 5 years, 5 साल के बाद, 5 साल ऐड कर दो एजेस में. So Robert's age would become 5x, x plus 5. Father's age would become 4x plus 5. According to the question, it is being told that father's age would become 3 times of Robert's age. So 4x plus 5 is equal to 3 into 5x plus 5. So just solving the equation by quickly solving the bracket. So 4x plus 5 as it is, and opening the bracket 3x plus 15. Okay, taking the variable terms one side, so it became x, 4x minus 3x, x, 15 minus 5, 10. So x is equal to 10. Therefore, we can say Robert's age is 10. Therefore, father's age would be 4x, that is 4 into 10, that is 40 years old. Isn't that amazing and simple? That is what I mean by forming a simple equation. This is the equation you have formed with the help of question and information given in that. Okay. So again, I would like to remind you before I give you the challenge that go on to the description box, select your grade, select your subscription plan 1, 3 or 6 months and try Vedantu. You will be a pro. Just use the link given below and use the code 80pro. You will get definitely benefits of that. So challenge of the day, guys. My pirates definitely can boom these types of challenge very easily. So let me know what is the answer, pirates. I am definitely waiting for your answer. Your captain is here waiting for your answer. Do let me know the answer. Everybody have to give me the answer and do let me know if you were able to boom this chapter in an easy way and interesting way. What more I can add in the lesson so that it can become more easy to understand to you. Do give me your feedback also, guys. Do let me know if there is more things which we can add in these sessions so that it is more clearer to everybody. So for the ICSC people, let me tell you that there is good news coming on your way very soon. So wait for that. Thank you so much everyone. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon so that you can get the update whenever I am posting a video for you or I am live to teach you guys. Hit the subscribe button, my pirates. Thank you so much for giving me so much of love. Your captain is really thankful to you guys. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye. We'll see you in the next session.